Hey, good afternoon and welcome to the shop here at New Traditions Dulcimers and Wabash Ukulele Company. Just a quick update on ukulele number 248. This is a pistachio Port Orford cedar tenor ukulele. This is the back. I just got the neck put on today, so that's why this is just going to be a quick update to let you see how it's turning out. This is the back of the ukulele. This is pistachio, book matched pistachio, of course, with a curly maple back stripe, and the sides pistachio also, with a curly maple binding and a curly maple graft down at the butt joint. Beautiful pistachio from Central California. I was able to take the graft line of the tree all the way around from the sides through the back and up the other side as well. And then this is the top. This is Port Orford cedar from southwestern Oregon with a pistachio rosette. I feel bad I don't have enough pistachio to do a bridge, so I'm just going to use one of my standard rosewood bridges on it. But this has a pistachio fingerboard all through here, abalone position dots, pistachio overlay on the headstock on the front and on the back, and then it will have peghead tuners on it, which are just like Cadillac tuners, the tuner of tuners, and they resemble, let's see if I can get this for you, they resemble an ebony violin tuner, but it's a geared tuner. It's geared inside and it's just phenomenal. They look great on ukulele pegheads. They just look amazing. So anyways, that's just a quick update on number 248. We've got 4 ukuleles that will be online soon for sale. 5 ukuleles that will be online soon for sale, and 3 dulcimers. I'll get those on hopefully by June 1st. There she is. This has sanding sealer on it, so that'll all get sanded off, and then I'll put the finish on one coat at a time. Pistachio all the way around. Port Orford cedar, pistachio fingerboard, pistachio overlaid. And the cool thing to remember about our instruments using this wood is that these woods are all recycled or reclaimed. This wood comes out of, the pistachio comes out of pistachio orchards of Northern California that would be burned in the field. The rancher would come, or the orchardist would come along and trim the trunks and burn the rest. Save the trunk and burn the rest. So this is rescued wood out of that area, and it sounds great. It makes a great back and sides. And then this Port Orford cedar comes from logging areas of southwestern Oregon. Now, this is from a tree that has been down probably close to 100 years. They used it for landings for the logging trucks. The fellow that I get my wood from goes up and finds these landings, finds these old logs, takes them back down to his mill in Northern California and mills them into this amazing instrument wood. So this is reclaimed or recycled, however you want to say it, and this is as well, along with the fingerboard, fretboard, and the peghead overlays. All right, so there she is, number 248. More to follow. Lord bless you guys.